still remember one day I told गुरुजी कि ये ज्ञान व्यान के चक्कर में तो आया नहीं था गुरुजी, मैं तो सिर्फ आपके लिए आया था. तो ये saying बात तो सही है, जब तुम मेरे प्रेजेंस में रहते हो तो क्या होता है. तो I said, when I'm in your presence, it's the whole being is completely different, right? He's saying that is knowledge. For me, that was a big revelation. He's saying knowledge is not the words that we speak. Knowledge is not, live in the present moment. वो एक knowledge point हो सकता है, but that is not knowledge. The state that you are in my presence, in his presence, in Guruji's presence, that state is knowledge. तो उस state में कुछ भी ग्रहण कर सकते हो, कुछ भी imbibe कर सकते. Do you get what I'm saying? Do you know where I'm coming from?
Yes.
No, the knowledge is not the words. We get so stuck in the words, no? But it's the presence. So that day, he was doing some program, and I was telling him, यार ये गुरुजी ये ज्ञान व्यान के चक्कर में तो हम आए नहीं थे, हम तो सिर्फ आपके चक्कर में आए थे. But yeah, that is what is knowledge. So art of living के सारे courses are, according to, for me at least, from my perspective, may not be everybody's. For me, it is only a reason to be with Guruji, to connect with Guruji, including your TTCs and everything pretty much else.
Yeah. भैया एक बार गुरुदेव और एक मुनि जी थे, तो उनकी चर्चा सुनने का मुझे मौका मिला था. गुरुदेव उनको लास्ट में यही कह रहे थे कि बातों में हम ज्यादा विश्वास नहीं करते, बातों से कॉन्सेप्ट बनती है. हमारा विश्वास है कि हमारे होने से प्रेम और ज्ञान का उदय होता है.
Absolutely. And that is what he broke in my head. He said, that is knowledge. ये जो, see, it is, we all come with such preconceived notions, ना. हम लोगों को तो सब पता है ना, we all know all and end alls, ना. But when he breaks that, very nicely, very lightly, with a few words, not some, कोई drama नहीं था उसमें. It's a very simple thing he said. You know how Guruji is, right? He just says it and he walks away. So very simple, but the way he broke down some concepts, ki the words we speak is not knowledge, the presence, and that is why he says, you teach not through words, through presence. You know, he keeps saying that in all TTCs, he keeps saying that. When you walk into a room, you bring with you some presence. That is what people may or may not connect to. I'm not saying you will, but they may not also connect to that presence only. So it's all about the presence. So this is, that day, the way it came, that knowledge was unbelievable. So being in his presence itself is knowledge. So
then first meeting Gurudev in ashram, did he show you around the ashram, or how was it? And how was your experience of doing the course there? Any memories?
It was Shakti Kutir, and we used to really, I mean, think of it also, I'm feeling so nice. So he didn't show me around and all that. So I met him. We finished the advanced course. At the end of, and he, as like in Rishikesh, he gave darshan. And at the end of the darshan, he said, "Tumhara kya plan hai abhi?" I don't know why he kept calling me Raghu for some time. I don't know. Okay, whatever. So I'm like, yeah, Prasanna Prabhu, Raghu. So I don't know. So he said, "Tumhara kya plan hai?" I said, "बहुत busy हूँ गुरुजी. मुझे दिल्ली जाना है. दिल्ली में बहुत सारे projects हैं. I have to go back quickly, immediately. My course gets over." I'm like talking real serious business with him, you know. My course gets over on such a date. The next morning is my flight or whatever. I gotta go. हाँ, तुम ऐसे करो, तुमको क्या दिल्ली जाना है ना? हाँ गुरुजी, हम लोग ना एक ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं. तो तमिलनाडु के ट्रिप में ऐसे ही 10-15 दिन. तो तुम ऐसे करो, instead of going from Bangalore to Delhi, तुम चेन्नई से दिल्ली चले जाओ. I'm like, yeah, what a great idea. And I say that while I'm saying it, I'm thinking, ये क्या stupid idea है यार. मतलब बैंगलोर से दिल्ली जाना छोड़ के बैंगलोर से चेन्नई जाके चेन्नई से दिल्ली क्यों जाएगा आदमी, कोई लॉजिक ही नहीं है. But I'm like, yeah, absolutely good. Yes. And then I suddenly remember कि यार कपड़े नहीं है, सच्ची कपड़े नहीं थे, because I had got exact like so many days of advanced course into 2 per day, so many clothes. अच्छा पैसे नहीं है. तो then I met one very dear friend who's no more, Nityanand Trehan, used to be in Delhi, right? Nitya. तो नित्या ने बोला, गुरुजी ने बोला यार जाओ. मैं कहा यार, मैं पता पागल है क्या तू? बोल रहे जाओ. मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ मेरे को ले जाओ, ले नहीं जा रहे. तुमको बोल रहे तुम जाओ. ऐसे नहीं यार, कहाँ यार तुम ये सब में यार 10-15 दिन मेरे पास दिल्ली में काम है, ये वो. ऐसे पैसे भी नहीं है, कैब पैसे नहीं है. He just took out some gaddi from his pocket and he gave me some 10-20,000. I don't know what it was. I put it in my bag and I said, कपड़े भी नहीं है, खरीद लेना यार तू. तो ठीक है. So then I came. So it is now in my head, it is decided that I'm going. No, practical mind है ना बहुत. तो अभी फ्लाइट का टिकट लेना पड़ेगा कि अपने आप तो उड़ के नहीं जाएगा आदमी. तो फ्लाइट का टिकट. So I go ask Prasoon कि प्रसून अब क्या करना है. The same Prasoon who sent me to, remember, right? The Kutir just next door. Walk for 30 minutes. Yeah, the same Prasoon. So I go back to the same guy. Can you believe it? After he having done that to me. So I said, Prasoon अब क्या टिकट लेना है? गुरुजी ने बोला है ना, सब हो जाएगा. मैं बोला ये लोग तो कुकू है यार, कैसे हो जाएगा, टिकट तो लेना पड़ेगा. देन आई मेट काशी. काशी, अभी गुरुजी ने बोला है कि साथ में जाना है, तो अभी क्या करना है. नहीं नहीं, गुरुजी ने बोला है ना, तो सब हो जाएगा. आई एम लाइक, दीस गाइस आर बंच ऑफ कुकूज मैन, दे रियली डोंट नो व्हाट दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. टिकट तो खरीदना ही पड़ेगा ना. सो नथिंग, सो नो टिकट, नथिंग. And I'm, by the way, I am very happy that if I am allowed to go to Delhi, I'll still go back and do my business, right? So that day, Sunday, satsang got over, 4:30, whatever, 4:30 to 6, satsang got over, Guruji is leaving. So one car goes, two car goes, three car goes. Then Guruji's car also goes. मैं बोला भूल गया यार, चलो निकलो दिल्ली. I was so happy कि भूल गए अभी गुरुजी. And then suddenly some 20, वो अपना जो ये अभी जो old ashram का, you remember the gate, it used to be like a uphill like. So last car, Guruji's car goes away, and then suddenly 20, 30, 40 people come running up. Prasanna Prabhu kaun hai? So I'm like standing there with my bag and having no clue whether I'm coming or going. I said, me. So they pick me up literally. I mean, it felt like picking up. Maybe I actually walked, I don't know. But it felt like they picked me up and threw me into a car. It was a Mercedes which was following Guruji. Threw me in that car and says, Guruji said, you must come. I said, Arey yaar, yaad aa gaya yaar. The whole thing was how to avoid this trip in my head, you know. So I sit in the car and I see sitting next to me is Manuji, Manu Makhija ji, who's no more, but he's the one who, you know, built the Vishalakshi Mandap. You know Manu, right? Yeah. So he was sitting next to me and I'm like, Manu, I am Prasanna. I said, हाँ, I'm Manu. तो कहाँ जा रहे हो? I said, I have no clue. चेन्नई बोला है गुरुजी ने, तो मैं जा रहा हूँ साथ में. क्या है ट्रिप, कुछ पता है? I said, I have no clue. I had no clue. And then he asked me, ticket है क्या? I said, I have no ticket also. And between you and me, I thought कि कम से कम नाना बोल के 15, 20, 25 लोग होंगे. Because the number of cars that left for the airport, so many, no? तो I thought बहुत लोग होंगे, कोई टिकट विकेट लेके खड़ा होगा. We drive, reach the airport. And then suddenly I reach there. I said, now what? Now at least somebody would have bought a ticket, yaar. उड़ूंगा कैसे? So again somebody comes and Guruji is asking for you. I said, हाँ. तो Guruji, आप इसका ticket? So I said, ticket है? He asked me. I said, ticket नहीं है Guruji. Then everybody starts running, ticket. So then I run to the counter. Bhaiya, I need a ticket. This flight, I'm going with Guruji, whatever. नहीं, कोई ticket नहीं है. And then Nitya gets active again. Nityanand Trehan. जाके, hey, he has to get a ticket, this, that. And then one lady comes out of the blues. And she asked me, there is only one ticket. Is that okay? Because she saw so many of them, of us, no? She thought कि पता नहीं 5-10 ticket चाहिए होगा. नहीं, एक ही ticket चाहिए. वो ले लो, ticket लिया, उसको पैसा भी पता नहीं किसने दिया. Ticket लिया, भागा. 10, 20 people walking, running behind Guruji. उसके बीच में क्या होता है? चप्पल टूट गया मेरा. मतलब unbelievable. चप्पल टूटा and I'm limping away to glory. 20 people, 10 people, 5 people, 2 people, and Guruji. That's it. It is Manu ji, me, and Guruji taking that flight, and I am like, first time you're with Guruji, yaar, don't know bag पकड़ना चाहिए कि नहीं पकड़ना चाहिए, आसन उठाना चाहिए कि नहीं उठाना चाहिए, but पता चला उठा लिया तो गड़बड़ हो गया, नहीं उठाया तो गड़बड़ हो गया, who knows, no? So I'm like, oh my God, and that whole trip was like serious turmoil internally was like serious turmoil. Anyway, we sat in the aircraft somehow. So Manu ji, me, and Guruji, we were far away from each other. एक साथ में नहीं थे हम लोग. And somehow we sat and we flew to Chennai. चेन्नई में जैसे लैंड हुआ, and again the minute we land there, the number of people, boss, मतलब मैं तो डर गया था literally. Again 20, 30, 40 people jumping at Guruji. In those days it was not as like it is now, but फिर भी 100 लोग तो ऐसे टूट पड़े चेन्नई में. And again he sits in the car and the car is gone. I don't know where to go, whose house to go, who to call. I don't know anything. Suddenly somebody says, who's Prasanna Prabhu? I'm like, raise my hand, it's me. Oh, another 10 people lift me and throw me into some other car, and then we drive. And Guruji is waiting there, by the way. Gaadi rukke, he's waiting. It's not that he's gone away, he's waiting. Then our car comes, and then he sees, and then we drive. We go and stay in one of our devotees' house in Chennai. And then Guruji is calling, we go to the room. So Guruji, Manuji, and me. And then Guruji is just lying down, and he says, बहुत काम करना है, Raghu or Prabhu, I don't know what he called me this time. he used to get my name wrong initially quite a bit of time. Anyway, so he says, बहुत काम करना है. And I'm like, oh, why are you telling me? Tell Manuji यार, मैं तो जा रहा हूँ दिल्ली. मैं तो चेन्नई तक ही आया था, मैं तो दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ. So then he says, अच्छा ऐसे करो, तुम अभी क्या करो ना, ऑफिस वगैरह बात करो, फाइंड आउट इफ देयर इज एनी वर्क. अगर इतना कोई ज्यादा काम वाम नहीं है तो 10-15 दिन हम लोग सारे टेम्पल वगैरह घूम रहे, तो तुम भी चलो, है ना? और शायद कपड़े वपड़े तो है नहीं, तो मन्नू जी और आप दोनों जाओ और थोड़े कपड़े वपड़े खरीदो. So I get out of my that house, Manuji and me, we go buy kurtas and pajamas and whatever else is that we have to buy. And then I'm calling the office to check कि यार कुछ है क्या? I'm in Chennai now, I can fly by the night flight or tomorrow morning flight. So you know what the lady tells me? She says, you know what, everything is set for the other 15 odd days. Even if you don't come, it's okay. And 15 odd days, these are her words, huh? For 15 odd days, if you don't come, it's okay. I'm like, what are you even saying? And then I cut the phone, and then I, after buying all the clothes, shower and everything, and come back to Guruji. तो ऑफिस में सब ठीक है? तो I said, हाँ गुरुजी सब ठीक है, सब काम वाम उधर सेट है? बोला हाँ गुरुजी. तो बोला कि अभी फिर हम लोग चलते हैं कल सुबह से. And by this time, by the way, Raghuraj Raja, now Satyajata, then Raghuraj Raja, and the entire team, Vikram Hazra, Nitin Limai, Vishwas Mulki, anybody and everybody that that we can think of now, all are there on this tour, but they're all coming by bus. So and everybody knows that there is some boy called Prasanna Prabhu who is flown with Guruji. You know how it is, right? When somebody flies with Guruji, come, oh wow, koto star aa gaya bhai. So then that trip began, and that was the most divine trip that I've ever had. Every temple that you can think of. मतलब I still remember हम लोग बचपन में वो स्वागत मैगजीन करके होता था, एयर इंडिया में आता था ना, उसपे वो टेम्पल का बृहदेश्वरा, you remember, we used to cut and we used to make something and we had to show it in school and all that. It was like that. All the temples in Tamil Nadu, from Tanjavur to I forget the names also now. All of them we visited, and unbelievable. Everywhere we would meditate, we would sing. Thousands of Meenakshi temple के अंदर नाना बोल के 2000 लोगों का सत्संग. We are like traveling every day, satsang in the night, again then resting, traveling, and like then we went to Papanashram where Guruji was born there, and there, oh, that was something else. There we went there to his house, and then when we drove by, there was a river. So as a kid, he would probably go there and swim and have fun and all that, right? So the minute he saw that river, he says, "Come on, everybody!" So we just jumped off the bus. He got off his car. We went and all just jumped into the water, into the river, and everybody swimming. So there, I broke my toe. I lost my specs, and we did something called underwater pranam. Oh, what a beautiful thing! So Guruji would be in the river, and he would obviously be submerged waist downwards in water, and then we would dive and go and touch his feet, and it became a big sport. For the next 1 hour, everybody was doing underwater pranam to Guruji. And in this whole underwater pranam, mera chashma toot gaya, mera pair ka toe toot gaya. So then Kishorda was very nice, as even he's now. Kishorda was very, "Arey Guruji dekho, iska to toe toot gaya." So Guruji touched my cheek like that. "Kya hua? Toot gaya kya? Kuch hua? Dukta hai? Dukh to nahi raha hai?" And as he's doing like this to me, the pain is all gone. And I'm like, wow, this is like a ek ke upar ek se badkar ek, like what a trip, man. And then we traveled the entire trip of Tamil Nadu, where we visited. So nice here. Every place we would meditate. Every place he would sometimes give us a background of what happened in this temple, and just sitting with him, meditating. Very, 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 very nice. Very, very nice. I still remember once, there was this one, when we came out of one temple, there was one saint, ekdam jatadari the wo, and he was very, like, you have to see his face, very soumya, very content, peaceful, full one man, just standing, full vibhuti and everything, just standing alone, no devotees with him, nothing, just one person. Guruji told us all, sab jaake ashirwad lo, but don't touch him, just touch the ground near him and then come. So we all went and did some pranam, and then we came. So I don't know how much karma would have got washed off in that 10-15 days. I don't know, unbelievable. So yeah, that was the first time I get to Bangalore, by the way, and then straight away into Tamil Nadu. Yeah, so this is, wow, so nice.
Well, then how you became ashramite, like leaving your business?
Oh, that is another story. I have no clue, frankly. So I used to be in Delhi, so I used to keep coming from Delhi to Bangalore and then go. I used to keep coming, and then I stopped going back. ऐसे हुआ कोई एक दिन नहीं था कि I don't remember a day when I said now from today I am not going to go back or something like ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. So I would keep going and suddenly one day I stopped going. I still remember.
So what was that year?
I'm very bad with dates, but it was a very nice year. I don't know, man. 2000, 2001. I don't know. Sometime like that.
So
but all I'm saying is
becoming teacher.
Yeah, more or less. No, but it took me no. After some time, because I used to keep going to Delhi, I used to keep going to Bombay, and I used to teach like crazy in those days. When I look back, I don't even recognize that person. I used to take 3 courses a day. In Bombay, morning in town, it was called some therapeutic course or something. Afternoon in Santa Cruz and evening in Nalasopara. Every day, I don't know, it is crazy. 3 2 course to normal tha. Ek apna venue bhi fixed tha. So courses like crazy used to happen. And then I used to keep coming here. And when I came one day, Guruji said, "Ye dekho na, ye publication hai, thoda dekho na tum." Then I said, "ठीक है Guruji." Then he said, then he turned back to me and said, "Thoda nahi, tum aise karo, tum pura hi dekh lo." I said, "Okay." So that's how I started taking care of publication many years ago. Then yeah, so that's how the first entry into non-teaching administrative stuff happened for me. Yeah. I'm not too sure about the date.
Then you moved to ashram.
Like I said, ashram means what? Initially we used to come. So there used to be this Shanmukha one where Satyajata, Raghuraj Raja and Prashant Rajore, they used to live. एक रूम में वो 2 लोग रहते थे. तो रूम के चक्कर में हम लोग पढ़ते नहीं, तो आके वो साइड में हम लोग घुस जाते थे. बैग रखो बाहर, अंदर घुसो. And the same office toilet bathroom that I have now was where we used to bathe. And that used to be so nice. So we used to keep coming, and Satyajata used to have the key to Guruji's kutir, right? So the whole thing. So in the morning, either he would open or Prashant Rajore would open or I would open, because when we would leave in the night, we'd lock the Guruji's kutir from outside and leave, right? So then going and opening it in the morning, I still remember once I took the key, bathed, whatever, did my Kriya Sadhana, everything, went, opened the door, went and sat. And I sat in that outside wala jo tha na, how Shakti Kutir ka baar wala, the I1, pole. Not the I3, I1, हाँ, pole wala. So I1 के वहाँ बैठ के मैं एकदम ध्यान करने लग गया, बड़े स्टाइल में. And then Guruji comes, and then he sees me. When he came, obviously I got out of meditation, and then he took the jhadu and he started sweeping the pole wala room, the I1. I said, no Guruji, I'll do. No, he says, nahi, ye to mera room hai na, main hi karunga na. So I was like devastated, because imagine here your guru is doing jhadu and you're sitting there. So that, he could have told me, when you come, you should make sure everything is spick and span and make sure all of that. Or he just picked up the jhadu himself and did it once. Never ever after that have I gone into Shakti Kuti, not kept everything proper. Then I can sit and meditate. But the first thing that I would come and do would to keep everything clean. There used to be a cat also, I forget her name, Shankari. She would create utpat sometimes. She would jump, because around the kuti there used to be all these idols. Sometimes she would go jump on them, they would fall. Sometimes I've seen her sit on Guruji's asan. हम लोग सुबह गुस्से खोलते हैं, शंकरी बैठी हुई है गुरुजी के आसन पे. So we would clean everything. So some of the things that how Guruji works is he doesn't necessarily tell you clearly. In fact, he never tells you anything clearly. मतलब वो बहुत सारे लोग सोचते हैं ना गुरुजी के पास जाएंगे हम लोग का सारा कंफ्यूजन क्लियर हो जाएगा. ये तो ठीक है, वो स्टार्टिंग के फेज में वो सब क्लियर होता होगा उसके बाद तो क्लैरिटी तो भूल ही जाओ. तुम ऐसे करो, तुम जाओ उधर जाके उसको मिलके वो करके आओ. I'm like, okay, hello. So clarity is one thing that he'll not give. In fact, clarity
so what was your first responsibility when you joined the ashram, or everything? Like whatever comes.
Yeah, this was my responsibility.
Acha.
हाँ जी. Open the kutir and we'd be darbans. मतलब what do you call that? हम लोग गेट पे रहते थे.
Darban. Best responsibility you got.
ओहो, मतलब कमाल ही है वो. उन दिनों में वो सब नहीं होता था ना, सेक्रेटरी ये सब नहीं होता था. I think secretary came first. I think was Prashant Nair. I think if I'm not mistaken, secretary first was Prashant. I think so. I'm not sure. Secretary वगैरह नहीं होता था उन दिनों में. So everybody who used to be around would say, Guruji ये आए हैं, ये मिलना चाहते हैं. It would be like that. So
तो
that's
कुछ
how.
मजेदार stories, some crispy stories from that time when you used to be with Gurudev the whole time. Shakti Kutir, you saw something, some miracle happened around you, or something like that.
नहीं, मेरे see, you know what, मेरे लाइफ में तो मिरेकल ही मिरेकल्स है, but it's become so normal now that I remember once in Bombay, for example, Bombay में गुरुजी आए and there was a fantastic trip that happened, and I still remember that he actually came to my house in that trip, and then I had to drop him back. You know, I got that, luckily, that responsibility that I could drop him back. So I had this. I mean, I remember this vividly. You know what? I can't remember anything. I can't remember what I ate yesterday, but I can remember these things quite vividly. So I used to have a blue Maruti Esteem, and I had to drop Guruji. So when Guruji sat and I have to drop him to the airport, I saw that petrol का जो काटा होता ना, वो E को जरा टच कर रहा था. I was like, ठीक है, मतलब अभी you can't go and go to with Guruji sitting, you can't go in to the petrol pump and say पेट्रोल भरो भाई, तो मुझे ड्रॉप कर देंगे. और एयरपोर्ट में बॉम्बे, you know, as soon as you get out of the airport, there is a petrol pump, भर के हम लोग घर चले जाएंगे. So I said, all that set plan, man. तो आए हम लोग, we dropped. I don't know who was with me also. Rohini, I think. Rohini Oak was sitting in the back. I don't remember. So anyway, we came, we parked the car, and then people come running and says, flight is delayed. So and then he says, तो चलो भाई, अब बॉम्बे आए हैं, इतना दूर आए हैं, और बॉम्बे का कुछ स्पेशलिटी नहीं खाए तो लोग क्या बोलेंगे. तो I'm like, अरे यार, and my माथा is ठनकोइंग. अरे अभी ड्राइव करो, मतलब it will be a long drive, somewhere we have to go. अब डीजल पेट्रोल नहीं है तो कार रुक के पेट्रोल थोड़ी भराएंगे. I'm like, tension. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Anyway, the guys gives me the asan. I put the asan. I come this side. I sit in the car, and guess what, Digvijay? Quarter. Petrol ka kanti on quarter. And I'm telling you, I'm a very, very practical person. I'm not a, like, you know, Jai Gurudev Kuku kind of guy. I'm a very practical guy. And I'm seeing that kata going from E where it was to suddenly to quarter. I'm like, this guy is crazy, man. This guy is God. You know? And then guess what? We drive, and you know what he says? इतना दूर आया, अगर बॉम्बे तक आया, अगर पानी पूरी नहीं खाया तो लोग क्या कहेंगे? Suddenly, from being this divine guy and the most best friend that you can have, and suddenly he wants to be with you, and this is what I would call an avatar. You know, who comes to your level. I mean, I was going to say stoops to your level, but it's not a fair thing to say. Comes down to your level and communicates with you at your level, so that then there is one sense of atmiyata, and then whatever he says, you will catch easily. But if he says it from a pedestal, you will never relate to it, because वो तो सिर्फ गुरुजी कर सकते. He will bring himself down, and that is what he said. That is avatar. जो अपने आप को उतारता है, अवतरित होता है, और and then communicates and connects with you. So this is my experience of what an avatar would be like. So I remember, you know what, Bombay में if you go, airport से बाहर निकलते सीधा, if you go to Vile Parla station के पास, there is one Shiv Sagar. I don't know whether I can say all.
Yes, it's still there.
So Shiv Sagar है, वहां पर हम लोग गए, and यहाँ अच्छा क्या मिलता है, तो हम लोग बोला पाव भाजी यार. तो पाव भाजी, पानी पूरी, भेलपुरी, a lot of us were there, and order आया. तो हम लोग, मैं बोल रहा हूँ विदाउट अनियन करो, विदाउट ये, विदाउट वो. तो the minute all that comes, Guruji says, ओ प्याज नहीं लाया क्या? अरे यार. Everything that I'm like, there's some conditioning, no, around everything that we think. See, everything that we are thinking comes from something that somebody has said, or some experience or something, and everything is conditioned around that. So he wants to break it all, it seems at least. So प्याज कांदा मंगाओ भाई, and this finely chopped onions come, and it's in front of him, like, and I said, Guruji, is सबसे best पाव भाजी, एकदम दबा के खाओ. So you know what he did? पाव का स्लाइस पे वो डाला, क्या पाव भाजी, उसके ऊपर दूसरा स्लाइस रखा, और उसको दबा रहे हैं.
Okay.
We played in Bombay, no, मराठी में दबा के खाओ बोलते हैं. So दबा के, and he ate it all with all of us, lay completely at home, and then he says, okay, now it's time to go. And then we go, we sit in the car, we drive back to the airport. And then I remember when we reached the airport, Manisha Mehta was there, one of our teachers, very senior teacher. She said, क्या गुरुजी आपने मेरे लिए कुछ लाया नहीं खाने के लिए? अरे तुम्हारे नहीं अरे हाँ नौशाद मनीषा के लिए कुछ लेके आओ समथिंग. देन नौशाद कॉल, थोड़ा जाके उसको थोड़ी जाना था बेचारे को, गुरुजी यहाँ छोड़ के थोड़ी कहीं जाएगा. तो ही कॉल्ड आफ्टर सम टाइम टू समबडी और व्हाटएवर, ही सेज कि कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है गुरुजी यहाँ पे. तो इसे तो सही टेस्ट बोलो, थोड़ा आगे जाओ, आगे जाके लेफ्ट लो, वहां मिलेगा. And Naushaad comes with a huge packet of goodies which Guruji gives to Manisha and says, "Abhi khao," and then he leaves. So I'm just saying, these are all, you can call it miracle, you can call it what you wish, but every moment with him there is something unfolding. However, for me personally, when I reflect back on it, it shows some knowledge in it. But at that point in time, it was like, for me, it was sheer fun. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
being with the master, every moment is a moment full of knowledge only, and that is how. And he doesn't necessarily tell you knowledge. Like I said in the beginning, no, it is not about the spoken words. It's more about the presence itself. From his being, something will come which you will catch sooner or later, depending on how thick you are or not. You will catch it, and that will translate into your life as knowledge. Right? So, like for example, nowadays when some real problem really happens, he says the standard thing in our head is what? हाँ ठीक है, अब क्या? We never said, oh हो गया, अब इसका क्या? चलना जो भी हो, अब क्या बोलना, करना क्या है? This whole thing. Somebody can keep on telling you, don't be part of the problem, be a part of the solution. You can tell you 100 times. But when you get into events like Silver Jubilee, when you get into events like WCF, you cannot but ask, अब क्या बोल भाई? चल जो हो गया सो हो गया, अब करना क्या बता? Because event तो होना है. See, whether you like it or not, whether you are whatever, event to hona hai na. So the only reaction to the problem would be, okay, get it, but now tell me what do we do? That is called living in the present moment, not getting stuck past. So कितनी बार भी 10 बार बोलो live in the moment, वो घुसेगा नहीं. लेकिन इस तरह के इवेंट्स में डालते हैं. सिल्वर जुबली में मतलब I still remember anything and everything that could go wrong went wrong and more.